There are a lot of different ways for you to chat inside of your Mighty network. Head to their chat icon in the upper right-hand corner and select it. You will be able to chat individually with people or in group chats up to 9 people. To start a new chat, click the plus icon. Then you will search for the person you would like to chat with. Click Start Chat. This will open up a new private chat message with them where you can add a file, a GIF, an emoji, or record a voice note. Recording a voice note is easy to do. Just select the microphone. Hey, Jane, thanks so much for your message the other day, and I can't wait to connect with you. And then you can play it back for yourself if you would like to, delete it if you would like to record another one, or send the recording. After you send the voice note, you can click View Transcript to see the voice note transcript. Inside of chat messages, you will be able to emoji react specific threads, reply to them, or you will be able to, in the 3-dot menu here, delete them or mark them as unread. Heading back to your chat messages here, you have filters at the top here. All will show you all of your messages. Unread will be only those that are unread, bookmark, private, spaces, or muted. In individual chat messages, you will be able to select the 3-dot menu and click Mark as Unread or Read, remove or add bookmarks, open the conversation in a new window, archive the conversation, mute it, enable or disable sounds, and show send buttons. Notification settings will take you to your personal settings where you can manage all your notifications. You can also mark all of your chat messages as read, and in this gear icon here, you will be able to enable sounds or show send button in all of your chats. Selecting chat settings will take you to your personal settings. This will allow you to turn on or off the ability to send or receive private chats. This is actually a host setting, so you will decide if your members can see this toggle or not. Turning on Show Muted Conversations means that muted conversations will appear in the conversation list. So if you would like to have muted conversations disappear from your chat list, you can turn this off and they will disappear. You can also search within chat to find your latest conversations with a specific member. If you have the People Explorer enabled in your network, you can also scroll over particular profiles and chat with members directly on their profile.